Hi there, this is Orane International, the super academy that offers professional training for beauty solutions across India. Be it makeup or hair, nail art or skincare, they excel in every field. If you want to become a professional in any of these fields, then Orane International is the right place for you with nearly 100 centers across India. In today's video, we are going to learn how to get ready for a cocktail party. But before that, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel Orane International. Do write us in the comment section below what are the beauty challenges you want us to talk about in our upcoming videos. Now let's witness how I got transformed.
We're going to start with a very nice clean skin, which I have prepped with cleanser, toner and moisturizer, and we're going to follow it up with a wonderful foundation which is going to be very light and going to be dewy, so that's going to really give her a nice even skin glow. Make sure to brush this all over the skin so that it looks even and well blended, as well as gives a very natural and flawless finish. My brush movements are very light and yet making sure that my foundation is easily getting absorbed into the skin. As you can see, her skin is covered and yet has its own character and giving a nice glow. I'm going to now use a concealer very lightly across the areas which needs a little bit of a concealing. The areas like under eyes, a little bit over the eyes, a little bit around her mouth to enhance the pretty smile. Now that I have that, I'm going to set it with the powder to remove the shine wherever I think it's not required. We're going to now proceed towards the eyes first. I'm taking a black gel liner. We're going to quickly even out the pencil before it sets to create a lovely soft smoke effect, which is classy, elegant and yet very sensuous for our cocktail parties. I'm going to go ahead and blend this with my brown shadow. I'm blending and setting simultaneously to add on to the softness and yet intensify my pencil. I'm softening up the outer edges so that it blends seamlessly into her skin. Next, I'm going to be taking my transition color, which is a brown, to further blend away my outer edges of the smoky. We always check for balance on both the eyelids so that our work looks really nice and our model looks lovely and pretty. I'm going to highlight her under eyes, under the eyebrows. We are next going to go with the same thing for her lower lid. I'm keeping it a little bit thicker at the outer edges to soften up and blend my smoky into the upper lid. We always personalize the smoky according to our model's eyes and their requirement as to how strong they like to go, but making sure that it always complements their features. I'm softly smudging it with my pencil blender. And once again, we intensify this with our shadow. Now we go on to our eyebrows. We first groom the brows to determine the shape and the areas that needs to be filled. We use a nice chocolate brown color and always starting at the arch, fill in the brows. We check for balance and then we set it with our eyebrow gel. We're now proceeding with the lashes. We curl the lashes and set it with mascara. I'm going to use some lovely lashes to enhance the eyes even further. I'm going to fix them as close to the lashes as possible. After making sure my model is comfortable, I'm going to proceed with my face, completing it by adding some nice bronzer to enhance her already wonderful face structure. We can really work our brush into the skin here because it kind of adds a very natural depth and dimension to the face. I'm going to use my smaller deer hairbrush to do the same for her nose. And now it's time for the blush. Blush always adds a sweet smile on our model's face. Again, use a color which is really close to your model's skin, but work it through so that it looks like a natural flush. Time for some highlights. Highlighting is never enough for the cocktail look. It is something that is always desired by most of the clients, most of the brides, as well as most of the party goers. And we go on to our lips. After our lip lining, we fill it in with a lovely glossy lipstick and some gloss, and we're done with a cocktail look.